Today, we're going to explore a new feature in K-Mine, Excavation Network Design. This tool allows you to quickly create a project for horizontal underground workings at selected levels. The initial data for this process comes from stoping blocks optimized using stope optimization. By the way, if you haven't seen it yet, we have a video on that topic available on our page. We regularly publish useful content about K-Mine's functionality, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Now, let's get started. First, we need to select the levels we'll be working with. For this example, I'll keep 3 levels visible, but you can select all levels at once or just one. K-Mine provides complete flexibility in this regard. Next, we need to define the access point. In other words, the shaft. The algorithm can automatically determine its location, but if the shaft already exists, we simply specify its position manually. Now, let's move on to defining the excavation direction. By clicking the Excavation Direction button, you can choose the optimal direction for working with stopping blocks. The algorithm suggests multiple options, and most of the time, the one you need will be among the first 3 choices. After that, we can adjust the project to match the selected mining system and equipment. There are plenty of flexible settings. You can adjust offsets, define conditions for splitting and merging workings, set entry angles, and fine-tune other parameters. This ensures that the project aligns perfectly with your operation's specific requirements. Once these settings are applied, we have a completed project. And the best part? Engineers can modify, expand, and refine it at any time. Most importantly, this tool eliminates tedious manual work, automating the design process and saving valuable time. But we're not stopping here. Let's add an inclined working and connect the levels with an ore pass. We select the access point, run the task, and within a few clicks, the ore pass is built. Now, we need a ramp. We'll construct it using a template that already includes gradient and turning radius settings. This allows it to fit seamlessly into the designated points without additional adjustments. In an upcoming update, this task will be expanded, allowing automatic construction of inclined ramps. Now, we're in the final stage, generating tunnel frameworks for all designed workings and visualizing the mine shaft. The last step is to load the optimized blocks to verify that everything is correctly aligned. As you can see, with Excavation Network Design, the planning process becomes much faster and more efficient. And most importantly, we get a powerful and flexible tool for designing underground workings. Subscribe to stay tuned, there's a lot more to come.